So seeding radish trays is a little bit different than pea trays. You want to soak the seeds just like you do with pea shoots and sunflower shoots or larger varieties, but radish I like to soak as well because it helps the germination process because we're using paper towel instead of dirt, and without the soil it's a lot harder for the moisture to stay within the seed and to make sure you get that healthy taproot come out. So when you're seeding, you want to evenly spread it out. If you let the seeds dry a little bit, it will be a little easier to spread, but there's a way to deal with the clumping, and I'll show you how to do that. So what I do when this clumps like this, I kind of just waggle my fingers in between. Just waggle, 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 waggle. Just right back and forth, nice and even. You don't want them to clump because then it'll get moldy. You'll have some germination issues and a couple other problems. So trying to make them spread as best as you can. And once you've done this, you kind of put them all together, you put another layer on top, you stack them up, and you wait a couple days. So seeding radish microgreens isn't too difficult as long as you make sure you seed them properly and not too much. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.